Hello, this is Marcus Nixon, and I'm testing out the Alvo game with the remote control car. So let's go ahead and spawn the car in. This is the first person camera on the car. As you can see, I'm sitting on the windshield of the car. This is what the car looks like when you're on top. And we'll drive around a little bit. Camera's a little shaky just because we're first person in the vehicle. Upstairs. And depending on how big the vehicle is, it can get stuck on some of the objects in the world. Alright, so we'll go ahead, destroy it, and we'll spawn the car back in. And let's change the camera. So here we have a render texture with a third-person camera on it, and we're following behind the car. And the thing about this camera is that it does not rotate. So as we turn this corner, you'll see what the problem is presented there about not rotating around the camera. Around their object. So not my favorite one. Go ahead and destroy this. And we'll spawn the car back in. One camera. Okay, so this is probably going to be the best camera. This is a third-person camera with rotation. So as we're driving, oh man. Well, as you can see, I didn't do a very good job of driving, but you can see once we kind of went around this corner of the building, the camera followed. So it's a good camera because it tries to stay behind the character, the remote control car, and as you're turning corners, it will follow. So here's a corner here, and we're still behind the car there, so no real blocking of the view. And of course, things like this can be tweaked to kind of speed up that rotation of the camera, and not to mention the car can be tweaked as well to be more stable and just more stable and better control. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you.